installing the Antigravity Battery Tracker Plus onto this Braille lithium battery in my 2018 Audi RS. Here's the battery tracker itself, and there on top is the number that you're going to need for the Bluetooth. Right, so I have the power wire ran to here, where I bolted it there, and then the factory cable, you would mount it to this part of the cable right here, but I put an aftermarket cable in and I have it mounted right here. Next thing we're going to do is download the app. You're going to take your camera and you're going to go on here, and then you're going to click on Quick Link, and then you're going to download the app. Okay, and you open the app, allow it to do notifications. You're going to add a device. So now you use the number that's on the side of the device right here, and you put that into the app. Okay, and also your device might pick it up without you typing it in, and if that's the case, you just click on the nearby device. Vehicle, and you're going to go to a lithium, since this is a Braille i48CX battery, and then you just go through all the steps, and then you should be ready to monitor the battery. So now you're ready to view the battery status. Go to Tracker Plus, and it shows you the percentage of that's in your battery, and the voltage and the temperature, and you can run different tests and stuff, and they have history on here also.